Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, one very important update I want to give you, or I want to share with you. In this case, if you have just installed RightFact server, and if you are trying to browse things, like you can see here on this screen, what I'm trying to say, like you have just installed and you can see here one red mark is there, okay, and this user is selected. So if I'm clicking on this users and I'm getting this error, so how to fix this? If you don't know, then yes, definitely I can help you in this, because it's not a big problem. Only you should not worry about it. So what is the scenario I will show you here? The fax server could not find an account matching your network login. Okay, how to troubleshoot this? So guys, here very simple. Okay, and before going further, before telling you this, I would request you please to subscribe channel, share, like and comment. And let me show you what is the issue here. So guys, this is what I was talking about. I have this RightFact server, okay, and this is what I'm talking about. For example, if I click on this server, so I'm not able to see anything, because yes, this icon says this red color, one service, at least one service is down, okay. So that I can find out, that is not a big issue. But what I'm saying here, for example, if I click services, so I can see all services here, okay. If I click statistics, so it is showing me very clearly. But if I click on users, it is telling me this error: the fax server could not find an account matching your network login, okay. And if you click OK, now if you try to give any password, whatever you have, for example, I am giving the password which I have configured for my account, but it is telling like enter the user ID or password you have given or not, enter the user ID or password you have given are not valid on server, okay. So if you click OK, again you will get this. So very simple, you do not need to give any password here. Very simple, you just click OK and this issue got fixed. So this is what I just wanted to discuss with you, because you know if you keep giving password, it is not taking, it is not taking, so you may feel very irritating, or you will leave learning, okay. And this thing I will discuss in my coming up video. Everything I'm going to discuss one by one. So the next video would be like I will be talking about RightFact server module, all these options available here. So I'm going to discuss in next video this one. So as of now, I just wanted to discuss, I just wanted to uh, share with you how you can deal with that error, and you should not worry about it, okay. And now I can access this very easily. There is no error, nothing is coming. So this I will see and I will check what is the issue with this one, okay. And it should be green. I will discuss each and everything. What are the indications, what is the meaning of indication, you can see here. So as of now it is not configured, so that is why it is not green. So in next video this is going to be discussed. Till then, bye bye. And yes, do subscribe, like, share and comment. I will see you in next video. Till then, bye bye guys.